In this video, we are going to discuss about recovery scenarios. Recovery scenarios are used to handle unexpected events, errors and application crashes during a run session, particularly when tests run unattended. To define the recovery scenarios, there are three phases are there. They are trigger event, recovery operation and post-recovery operation. So to show this example, I am going to open the flight application. Here I have entered wrong username, wrong password. I clicked on OK button and this error window is displaying. Instead of writing the code, I am going to handle this error pop-up by using recovery scenarios. To create recovery scenarios, first you have to go to resources menu, select recovery scenario manager, then you have to click on new scenario button. Recovery scenario wizard will be opened. Now here you can see the steps which we have to perform: trigger, recovery, post recovery. Now click on next button to find out the trigger event. So here we have 4 trigger events are there: pop-up window, object state, test run error, application crash. For the current situation, we have to choose pop-up window, then click on next button. And whichever the window you want to capture, or on whichever the window you have to do some operation, by using this hand button you have to capture that window title. So currently this is the error pop-up. I want to capture this window title because I have to handle this error. Once it is done, you click on next. Now we are entering into the next phase called recovery. So this is the second phase. Here we have 4 options are available. They are keyboard or mouse operation, close application process, function call, restart Microsoft Windows. Depends on our requirement, we have to choose one of the option. For the current situation, we have to use keyboard or mouse operation. So select that and click on next. And then I am selecting click button with label. Using this hand button, again I am going to capture that button title or button label. Then click on next button. If you want to add one more recovery operation, you have to check this checkbox. Otherwise, just click on next button. And now we entered into the third phase, that is post recovery test run option. Here they have given around 6 options: repeat current step and continue, proceed to the next step, proceed to the next action or component iteration, proceed to the next test iteration, restart current test run, stop the test run. So depends on the current situation, depends on the current code, you have to decide which option you have to choose. So for the current situation, I am selecting proceed to the next step, then click on next. And here you have to provide a name and description for that particular recovery scenario. So here I am giving the name as pop-up handle and description is optional. Then click on next and click on finish button. Created recovery scenario, you have to save in the respective folder. So currently I am going to save it on my desktop by giving the name as recovery scenario. And then close this window.